We are going to the ballpark in Arlington to watch the Texas Rangers host the Houston Astros. It's a Texas battle out here in Arlington today. Partly cloudy skies, about 65 degrees, and we have some baseball players about to do some baseball stuff.
It's a good announcer voice.
Working on it, no big deal.
But first,
Traffic.
Dallas traffic.
What's wrong? 'Cause I've seen down ending the night.
Alright, Eric. Tell us what you're making.
So, one of our favorite spots to hit while we're on the road is Gus's Fried Chicken. We first went there in Austin, Texas. And then we heard that they were out of Memphis. And then we've been to the one in Kansas City. So we happened to be driving through Memphis yesterday and we both had the same thought, without even saying it out loud, that we wanted to go to Gus's. And one of the times we went to Gus's, we had leftovers. So we've made Gus's hot chicken noodle soup. It's amazing.
It's kind of spicy. It's
fried chicken.
From what I understand, they cook it in oil that has it's like peppers, like spicy oil. So it gets into the chicken. And then this is like one of our favorite soups is Bear Creek. They make a bunch of different kinds of soups, but this is like the chicken noodle.
So this is a really, really good. It makes a spicy chicken noodle soup with Gus's Fried Chicken Primo. We're excited.
We must not have given her water recently, huh? Oh, she's fine. Morning. So this is something that's kind of annoying, but both times that we've been to Arkansas to like go explore and adventure, I've gotten sick, and this time Eric's sick too. We tried to go on a hike yesterday. It's so pretty, by the way. If you haven't been to Arkansas, fun fact, it's beautiful. There's actually a lot to do. There's gem hunting. There's like this giant lake. Lake Ouachita, I think I'm saying that right, sorry if I'm not. But yeah, there's like gems everywhere, and there's a lot of hiking, and so yesterday Eric and I tried to start hiking, and then we both were like having pounding headaches and couldn't breathe, so we gave up pretty quick. But it still was a nice place to spend our night. Okay, I'm back. For some reason, my camera doesn't tell me when it's about to die, it just dies, and that's really annoying. It's a great place to spend our night. We just wish we could have explored a little more. So some point we'll be able to explore Arkansas, hopefully later this year. We're off to Dallas. We have an event tomorrow with Paige. So yeah, about to hook up the car and get going. How are you feeling?
Like that?
Yeah, you sound pretty bad too.
Yeah.
Just like me.
What's wrong? 'Cause I've seen down ending the night. No point to resist nor ever fight. From days to years, just passing by. We lost our tension, lost the light across the ocean of our lives.
I like to let them think they're gonna win and then move on in there. How do you feel?
Golf, it's life.
Is it that one? How do you really?
Yeah, it's a little short.
Shorty behind the
Oh yeah, it is.
You're so mad.
Yeah.
want to say words that I'm not allowed to say. We lost 3 strokes and 3 holes, and now we're losing. So that's what happens.
With 1 hole to go.
We're still alive.
Beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, 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 bop. I'm speaking to the GoPro. Beep, bop, beep, bop.
I went today and threw some like down tempo putters, and it was like, okay, we're getting there. Yeah,
Progress.
So they were popping out.
Todd is taking us on a little tour because he hasn't been here in a while. But we are going to a Rangers game. We got Ricky, Brian, Yuli, Barry, and Louisa. So this should be fun.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
And what's your favorite smell?
I mean, it's not my favorite, but today it's grilled onions.
I think you said it was your favorite.
Kind of my favorite smell.
This flight to review is presented by Toyota.
So he did it like during the spring games. They thought it was a big joke because they test out the music.
Morning. So we've had like this kind of weird issue come up lately, and we're plugged into shore power. So with RVs, you have a generator and you have like shore power, so you can plug into an outlet at a campground. So we've been plugged in for about 2 weeks, but our fridge keeps going out, and there's this little alarm that goes off that means that that alarm isn't getting enough power. Which means our batteries are dying or dead. The crazy part is we have it's called a converter, so it takes the power from the outlet box or the generator and charges the battery. But the thing that's built into most RVs is just a really bad converter. So we just purchased on Amazon a converter charger it's called a 4-stage. And the whole point is that it's smart and it knows how to charge your batteries and keeps them charged, and it's just better at charging in general. So I cannot believe we've made it 3+ years in an RV without upgrading that. It's only $230 or something, but our batteries have been dying for years. Like, we buy a new battery every year instead of just taking care of the ones we have. So took some troubleshooting, but I think we got it figured out, and it should be in the mail tomorrow, or today actually. Sunday, hopefully. It arrived. Thank goodness for Amazon, because it showed up in 2 days. So I'm going to try to install this, but I had to wait for daylight because you have to turn all the power off, and I wouldn't be able to see. So in theory, I'm going to take this plate off, and it's going to replace the unit that's already under here. So here we go. Okay, so I tested this. The lights came on. Oh, my printer's on. And I tested this before I plugged this back into shore power, and it was 11.8, which is low, but that's the whole reason we're doing this, is because our batteries are really low. And now we're reading 14.05. Either way, I think it was a success. Also, I've been working like crazy on whale sacks. My family's been helping me, but we have our 2 biggest weeks with GBO and Bowling Green coming up. it's like our 2 biggest vending weeks, and I am like really low on whale sacks. Usually my mom helps me and my dad mails them to me, and I just like completely ran out the week before Bowling Green. So I've probably spent maybe 20 to 20 hours, do you think? Probably 20 hours making whale sacks this week while trying to film for Jonesboro and, you know, keep up my business and posting new products and all that stuff. So it's been kind of a crazy week, but usually I don't have to work this hard. This is just like an anomaly, but I have some cool ones coming.
But behind my teeth, there's like the bridge takes up like this space. It's basically like if you rolled up, I'm sure we all did this when we were young, but like when you had a piece of gum, you rolled it up into like a snake.
Yeah.
Right? And if you took that snake and you placed it between your teeth and the gums,
yeah,
and you wrapped it all the way from the back of your teeth all the way around.
Like it was like a retainer or like a mouthpiece. Yeah,
exactly. There's just like more stuff in my mouth, so I'm just hoping that it doesn't sound too weird when I do come to it.
No, that's I doubt it does because you sound fine, so that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, you almost like could have ruined your commentating career here, so you know.
Dude, I factored in that it could change the way that I talk a little bit, but like I wasn't sure how bad it could be.
So today's an exciting day. I guess 2 days ago officially began our craziest 2 weeks of the year. We have the Bowling Green Amateur Championships and GBO following it up, and it's always just like a packed schedule day after day after day. We're vending, we're doing clinics.
Mark's been eventing KC, mixing in between with Jerry Patterson.
Yeah, we always do a lot this time of year. This is kind of a nice like off week. We're still working a lot, but we actually get to kind of hang out with some of the other pros because usually we're out practicing and then getting dinner, and then and like it's just so busy and everybody's so exhausted. So the fact that we don't have to practice or play this week is really nice. So we get some time with our disc golf friends a little bit more. And then tomorrow we're going to check out some caves before we go to the fly mark. So I'm super excited about that. Obviously, Eric could care less.